What's up, everyone? Arif here, and we are doing what is this? Gfuel Kiwi Mango. This is the last one from the Memorial Day sale that I purchased on. Finally, I know it took us a while to get through it all, but we finally got through them. So let's take a look at this last flavor and see how it is. Here we go. Oh, that's lovely. That's really good. It tastes just like a kiwi mango, honestly. I don't really know what else to say about it. It's exactly like it's advertised on the box. It's not like a candy flavor. It's not like a sour flavor. It's just tastes like a kiwi mango. Out of the 4 flavors I bought, this is one of them. I don't know if I would buy this again. My favorite so far has to be the sour grape version, and then I think it would have to be the sour grape, the icy blue, this, and the Morbius is dead last. The Morbius I'm very sick of, but I have to get through it because I bought it. So mistakes were made all the way around. Other than that, guys, that is about it for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hey, hit that sub button. Let me know what you think about Gfuel and any flavors you bought, and maybe I'll try them on the next sale. Other than that, guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see all of you on the next video. Bye.